Good morning, students. Last class we discussed the 17th group elements in that interhalogen compounds. Then today's discussion is 18th group elements or group 18 elements. Group 18 elements. 18th group consists of 6 elements, namely helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, and all these are gases. All these are gases, and these gases were earlier called inert gases. These were earlier called inert gases because of their chemical inertness. Chemical inertness means non-reactivity under normal condition, and this chemical inertness was attributed to their stable electronic configuration. The chemical inertness was attributed to their stable electronic configuration. Group 18 contains 6 elements, namely helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon are. These are the 18th group elements, and all these are gases. All the 6 elements of 18th group elements are gases. All these are gases. These gases was earlier called inert gases. These gases was earlier called inert gases, or were earlier called inert gases, and this inertness due to because of their chemical inertness. Chemical inertness means non-reactivity under normal condition. And this chemical inertness was attributed to their stable electronic configuration. The chemical inertness was attributed to their stable electronic configuration. This chemical inertness is due to stable electronic configuration. And in the 4 decades, in the in the last 4 decades, a good number of compounds of these elements have been prepared, thereby discarding their chemical inertness, discarding the belief of earlier inertness. ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ noble gases are inert ಅಂತ. And in the last 4 decades, a good number of compounds of these elements like 18th group elements compounds have been prepared and discarding the earlier belief of inertness. In the last 4 decades, a good number of compounds of these elements have been prepared, thereby discarding the earlier belief of inertness. Earlier belief of inertness was discarded because of, in the last 4 decades, a good number or large number of compounds of noble gases have been prepared, and these gases nowadays are called as noble gases. These gases nowadays are called noble gases. Nowadays these are called as noble gases. Noble gases means the gases with a little chemical reactivity. The gas with a little chemical reactivity. These are called as noble gases, and these gases are present in or around the earth in a very small amounts, and these are also called as rare gases. These are also called as rare gases. These gases are present in or around the earth in a very small amounts. So, these are also called rare gases. These are also called rare gases. Rare gases means all the noble gases are present in or around the earth in a very small amounts, and these are called as rare gases. And except radon, all the noble gases are present in the atmospheric air, and these are also known as erosions. Erosions ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರೀತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ except radon all the noble gases are present in the air. ಏರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ present. Except radon all these gases are present in the air and these are also known as erosions. These are called as erosions. 18th group elements are called in different names. 18th group elements are named in different ways. Group 18th elements are called with different names. First one, these are called as inert gases. These are inert gases because of the earlier belief of chemical inertness, and these are also called as noble gases. Noble gases means little reactivity, and these are also called as rare gases, and these are also called as erosions. Erosions because of except radon all the noble gases are present in the atmospheric air, and these are called as erosions. And rare gas because in and around these gases are present in very small quantity, these are called as rare gases. And noble gases because of little chemical reactivity, inert gases because of earlier belief of chemical inertness, and these are also called as zeroth group elements. Zero group elements. 18th group elements are called in different names. Then next coming to occurrences of 18th group elements. Next is occurrence of 18th group elements. Here these noble gases or 18th group elements are present in air, natural gas, and some of the radioactive minerals. We will see one by one. First one is air. No, all the noble gases except radon are found in the air to an extent of 1% by volume. 1% by volume ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ noble gases ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. And argon is the major constituent among them. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ 6 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ noble gas in the atmospheric air is argon, and remaining other elements are found in the tracer quantity, very little quantity. Remaining elements are present in the atmospheric air in very small quantity. All the noble gases except radon are found in the atmospheric air to an extent of about 1% by volume. Only 1% by volume of atmospheric air contains noble gases, and in this argon is the major constituent among them. ಇವೆಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ argon is the major constituent among all the noble gases. Except radon, all the noble gases are present in the atmospheric air about to an extent of only 1% by volume, and argon is the major constituent in the atmospheric air. Second one is natural gas. Natural gas is the main source for helium, main source of helium, and it contains 2 to 7% helium along with a very small quantities of carbon dioxide, nitrogen gas and carbon disulfide and some other gases. Natural gas is the main source for helium. Natural gas is the main source of helium, and it contains 2 to 7% of helium along with small amounts of carbon dioxide, nitrogen gas, hydrogen sulfide, etc. Then third occurrence of 18th group elements is radioactive mineral. Radioactive minerals. Here helium and neon are found in certain radioactive minerals such as pitchblende, then monazite and elevite. ಇವೆಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ helium and neon are found in some certain radioactive minerals. Helium and neon are found in the certain radioactive minerals such as pitchblende, monazite, elevite, etc. And xenon and radon, these are very rare. Xenon and radon are very rare. Then radon is obtained by a decay product of radium. Radium decay ಆದಾಗ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ radon obtain ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Radon is obtained as a decay product of radium, and the chemical reaction for this is radium is on radioactive decay to form radon and helium. The radon is obtained by a radioactive decay of radium. These are some of the occurrences of 18th group elements. Next, coming to electronic configurations of noble gases. All the noble gases except helium have their valence shell electronic configuration as ns2 np6, but helium has its configuration 1s2. Next is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. All the noble gases except helium have the stable valence shell electronic configuration as ns2 np6. All the noble gases except helium have stable valence shell electronic configuration as ns2 np6. Electronic configuration of helium is of He is 1s2, and their ground state electronic configurations of all the noble gases are represented like this. Elements, symbol, atomic number, valence shell electronic configuration. First element is helium. Its symbol is He, atomic number is 2, and its valence shell electronic configuration is 1s2. Except helium, all the noble gases have their valence shell completely filled valence shell electronic configuration is ns2 np6. Second element is neon, argon, krypton, xenon, then last one is radon. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and lastly radon, and atomic numbers 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86, and their valence shell electronic configurations are represented with their previous noble gas. Previous noble gas is helium, 2s2, 2p6, then previous noble gas is neon, 3s2, 3p6, argon, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, krypton, 4d10, 5s2, 5p6, xenon, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p6. These are the valence shell electronic configurations of noble gases or 18th group elements. Next, coming to some of the atomic properties of 18th group elements. Atomic properties. In this, first one is atomic radii. First atomic property is atomic radii. Noble gases, the atomic radii of noble gases increases from helium to radon due to increase in or due to addition of new shell. New shell addition ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ atomic radii of noble gases increases from helium to radon due to addition of new shells. Atomic radii of noble gases increases on moving from helium to radon due to the addition of new shell. ಹೊಸ ಶೆಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯೈ ಆಫ್ 18th group elements increases on moving from helium to radon. Then second one is ionization enthalpy. Noble gases have highest ionization enthalpy with respect to their or respective periods. Noble gases have highest ionization enthalpy in their respective periods. ಆ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಯೋನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್. ಅಯೋನೈಸೇಷನ್ enthalpy of or noble gases have highest ionization enthalpy in their respective periods. This is due to the completely failed stable electronic configuration. Their ionization enthalpies are highest in their respective period due to stable completely filled electronic configuration, and this ionization enthalpy is decreases from helium to radon. The ionization enthalpy of noble gases decreases down the group from helium to radon due to increase in their atomic size as well as atomic number. The ionization enthalpy is decreases down the group because of increase in their atomic size as well as atomic number, but the noble gases have highest ionization enthalpy in their respective period because of stable completely filled electronic configuration. Then third one is third atomic property is electron gain enthalpy. Third one is noble gases has no tendency to accept electrons. These have no tendency to accept electrons due to stable completely filled electronic configuration. ಇವೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ನೋಬಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ವೆಕೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ by the absorption of large amount of energy, and hence therefore these ionization enthalpies of 18th group elements are positive ionization enthalpy because of the addition of electron is in the higher energy vacant orbitals and due to absorption of large amount of energy. Noble gases have no tendency accept electrons no tendency to accept electrons due to their stable completely failed electronic configuration. But these noble gases, in case of noble gases, the addition of electron leads to the absorption of large amount of energy. In case of noble gases, electrons can be added to the higher energy orbitals but by the absorption of large amount of energy. Hence, these have positive electron gain enthalpy. Positive electron gain enthalpy of noble gas is due to the absorption of energy by addition of electrons to the vacant higher energy orbitals, and the electron gain enthalpy is decreases down the group. The electron gain enthalpy of noble gases decreases down the group from helium to radon. The positive electron gain enthalpy decreases down the group, and this positive electron gain enthalpy is due to absorption of large amount of energy. Then next, coming to some of the physical properties of 18th group elements. Physical properties. Here first one is physical state. First physical property, physical state of noble gases. All the noble gases, all the 18th group elements are colorless, odorless, tasteless gases. All the noble gases are colorless, odorless and tasteless gases. Second physical property is atomicity. All the 18th group elements or noble gases are monoatomic state, and their ratio of Cp by Cv is close to 1.66, and these do not form polyatomic state. All the noble gases are monoatomic state and Cp by Cv ratio is very close to 1.66. ಇದು 1.66 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊನೋಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. And these do not form polyatomic gases because of stable electronic configuration. Stable electronic configuration ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ these do not combine among themselves or combine with other elements. These are only monoatomic gases. Then third one is solubility. These noble gases are sparingly soluble in water and the solubility is increases with while moving from helium to radon. Solubility increase aguntu. Noble gases are sparingly soluble in water and their solubility increases from helium to radon or xenon. Solubility ಏನಾಗ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ increase ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then fourth one is melting point and boiling point. Melting and boiling points. All the noble gases having lowest melting as well as boiling points due to weak van der Waals force of attraction. In the noble gases, there is a very weak van der Waals force of attraction is exist, and due to weak van der Waals force of attraction, their melting as well as boiling points are very low. Noble gases having very low melting point and boiling points due to the presence of very weak van der Waals forces between their solid and liquid phase. And this melting point as well as boiling point increases down the group because of magnitude of weak van der Waals force of attraction is also increases. Melting and boiling points of noble gases increases down the group from helium to radon due to increase in the magnitude of van der Waals forces. Van der Waals force magnitude increase ಆಗ್ತದೆ, that's why the melting as well as boiling points of noble gases increases. And one more very important point is helium is a very lowest melting point, that is 4.2 Kelvin of any known compound. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹೀಲಿಯಂ. ಹೀಲಿಯಂ ಇಸ್ ದಿ helium has lowest melting point, that is 4.2 Kelvin of any known substance, and this exhibit abnormal behavior, and this diffused through most commonly used laboratory apparatus or materials like rubber, plastic and glass. ಇವೆಲ್ಲದರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಹೇವ್ಸ್ abnormal behavior ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ lowest melting point. It is 4.2 Kelvin and this is the lowest melting point of substance till known compound. ಈಗೇನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ದೊಳಗೆ this is the lowest. Next is chemical properties. Chemical properties. Noble gases are chemically inert due to three important reasons. Noble gases are chemically inert due to, first one is completely filled stable electronic configuration except helium. Completely filled stable electronic configuration except helium, which has 1s2 configuration. This is a duplet configuration ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್, that is ns2 np6 configuration. Second reason is very high ionization enthalpy. Very high ionization enthalpy. And third one is high positive electron gain enthalpy. High positive electron gain enthalpy. These are the three reasons for chemical inertness of noble gases. Noble gas yaak chemical inertness adavappa antandre because of completely filled stable electronic configuration, that is ns2 np6 except helium. ns2 np6 except helium, it has a 1s2 duplet configuration. Second point is very high ionization enthalpy because of stable configuration, and high positive electron gain enthalpy. This is due to these noble gas has no tendency to accept electron, but the addition of electron is in the higher energy vacant orbitals by the absorption of large amount of energy, and its electron gain enthalpies are very high positive values because of large amount of energy is absorbed. These are the three important reasons for chemical inertness of noble gases, and these are till 1962 there is no noble gas compounds, and in 1962 Neil Bartlett observed a chemical reaction with molecular oxygen with platinum hexafluoride in 1962 ತನಕ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ there are no noble gas compounds are known, and at this in the 1962 Neil Bartlett observed a chemical reaction with molecular oxygen and platinum hexafluoride. ಇವೆರಡೂದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ O2 plus PtF6 platinum hexafluorides are combined to form red colored molecule formulated as this, and this is a red compound. And he observed the first ionization enthalpy of molecular oxygen as well as xenon, and these are comparable. First ionization enthalpy of molecular oxygen O2 is 1175 kilojoule per mole, and first ionization enthalpy of xenon is 1170 kilojoule per mole, and these two first ionization enthalpies are comparable. Then he observed a chemical reaction, or xenon is directly reacts with platinum hexafluoride. It forms a red crystalline solid, that is xenon directly combines with platinum hexafluoride to form EtF6 minus, and this is the red crystalline solid. And this was the first noble gas compound prepared by Neil Bartlett in the year 1962. This is the first noble gas compound. Noble gas compound was prepared by Neil Bartlett in the year 1962, and later a large number of noble gas compounds obtained by reaction with highly electronegative oxygen and fluorine. Large number of xenon compounds are prepared by combining with more electronegative oxygen and fluorine, and krypton forms only one compound KrF2. Krypton in Pantara, it forms only one compound. And helium, neon and argon do not form compounds with other elements, and xenon forms large number of compounds with more electronegative fluorine and oxygen. Next class we will discuss xenon compounds, their properties and structures of xenon compounds. Thank you.